In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to split in DaVinci Resolve. We will use the blade tool method, which is quick and precise once you see it in action. Go to the Edit page. On the bottom of DaVinci Resolve, look for the word Edit in the bar of page icons. When you click Edit, the layout changes to show the timeline at the bottom, the preview viewer at the top, and the media pool on the left. This is where almost all basic cutting and arranging happens. If you ever feel lost in other pages, coming back to Edit brings you to the main timeline view where your clips sit in order. Press B to activate the blade tool. When you press the B key on your keyboard, look at your mouse pointer over the timeline. It changes from the usual arrow into a razor blade icon, which tells you the blade tool is now active. A small beginner tip here: you do not need to click anything first. The shortcut works as long as the Edit page is active. If you press B and nothing seems to happen, make sure the timeline area is selected by clicking once on any empty space in the timeline, then press B again. With the blade tool active, you are telling Resolve that the next clicks on clips will create cuts instead of moving things around. Click the clip where you want to make the cut. Move your mouse along the clip on the timeline and watch the white playhead line, or scrub line, that helps you line up the cut with the exact frame you want. A useful trick is to play or scrub to the exact moment in the viewer first. Pause on that frame, then click on the clip right under the playhead. When you click, you will see the clip split into two separate pieces at that point, often with a thin vertical line marking the cut. Each side of the cut is now an independent segment, so you can select, move, or delete either half without affecting the other. Beginners sometimes accidentally click slightly off the clip and think nothing happened, so always check that your cursor is sitting on the colored bar of the clip itself before you click. Press A to switch back to the selection tool. Once you hit the A key, your cursor turns back into the regular arrow, which means you are out of cutting mode and back in normal selection mode. This lets you drag the new split pieces, trim their edges, or delete one side of the cut if you want a gap. If you ever find that clicking is still making extra cuts, it means you stayed on the blade tool, so tap A again to return to selection. You have now learned how to split a clip in DaVinci Resolve using the blade tool for precise cuts on your timeline. If this helped you get cleaner edits, a quick thumbs up would really help others find it, and feel free to subscribe for more Resolve tips.